Hi, I'm Carl, owner and founder of TopBuild Carpentry. TopBuild, we are a bespoke furniture manufacturer. We focus on wardrobes, media walls, staircases. Anything bespoke out the ordinary is what we love.
Hello, my name is Dave. I've got 15 years of experience with CAD and design, and I am the office manager at TopBuild Carpentry. I have a massive passion for design and architecture, and that's what I love about this place. We're always exploring new avenues and trying new techniques. It's a great team and work together well, throw in a bit of comedy here and there, but yeah, we get the job done.
Hello, I'm Sue and I've been with TopBuild from the beginning. I look after the company accounts and I also support Dave and Carl with inquiries.
Hello, I'm Luke. I work at TopBuild Carpentry. I've been working for Carl for 9 years now, and now I'm workshop manager.
Hi, I'm Tony. I am coming to the end of my apprenticeship. It's great working with the lads, learning a lot every day. It's just a great environment to be in.
Hello, I'm Tate and I'm the newest member of TopBuild. Being the newest member, I feel really welcomed by the crew here. Dave's my manager, I work below him, I work in the office. I studied for 3 years at the University of Lincoln. So yeah, it's a privilege to work for the team. I'm really happy to be here and I can't wait to see what we produce in the future.
So here at TopBuild, we have a lot of big plans ahead. The team's building nicely, we've got an amazing team. We love what we do. The bespoke furniture side of things is where we really love getting our design work and bringing our creative side out. So we are going to be documenting our work and we're going to be putting everything onto film, onto video. We're going to do a weekly YouTube series, basically where everyone will get a bit of an insight into the business from the workshop to what we're making, what we're fitting. We're starting to push out further down the country now in different areas that we're trying to tackle. So obviously when we're around the workshop and we're making jobs, and we do have a laugh, but we get the job done. But obviously when we're doing a lot of stuff, we say, oh, this should be on film, you know. So that's why we decided, we've got an interesting setup, we've got an interesting team, we all get on like a family. So we decided, let's put this into video, head it onto YouTube, and we're going to be doing a weekly series, TopBuild TV, where everyone can feel like they're kind of inside from the workshop to what we're making out on the job and just see our journey going forward. Do head over to YouTube and subscribe because that's where our weekly TopBuild TV will be happening. You can find us over on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, TopBuild Carpentry. Thanks for watching.